When you bury your food scraps, you're able to make your own fertilizer for free. You'll never have to go to the store again and purchase any. All you have to do is dig a trench about a foot deep, put your food scraps into the trench and cover it up, and that will allow your food scraps to break down. And what I would do after 3 months, I would come over about the middle of my garden bed or whatever you use, dig another trench, apply your food scraps, cover it up, and that will allow it to break down, and that way you'll keep having the cycle of your fertilizer moving from left to right. And then start over. Once you get to the end, dig another trench. 3 months, you have that compost that you need. This will allow your worms and other critters to come into your bed, devour the food scraps, help it break down to speed up the process. You will not have to worry about pests being inside of your garden bed because it's buried deep enough. Now think about it. Why do cats bury their waste? That is because they don't want predators to smell their waste, and that protects them from any predator that could come get that cat. Now another thing to think about, if you have a dog or you've seen dogs before, why do they bury their food scraps? Like they have a bone, they'll bury it because they don't want other animals to know where it is. So if you bury it, you'll be okay. Now when it comes to meat, I would say you could bury it at least a foot deep and cover it up and you'll be good to go. Now think about it. Back in the day, Native Americans used to bury fish with their crops and had successful results when it comes to their food scraps. But I would not bury bones. Bones take a long time to break down. The best thing you could do is to grind them up and make bone meal. And eggshells, if you put them in here, they'll take a long time to break down, but that's an extra benefit of having more calcium into your garden bed. It doesn't have to be pretty. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to go crazy to start making compost. Like I said, if you garden, just bury it straight in the ground and you have great results. Well, here's another video to watch. I want to take time out to say thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.